What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Lino here, also known as Skinny. Usually I'm doing game streams and all that stuff, but it's been a while since I posted on my channel, so thought it'd be a good thing to do something different and post a little unboxing that I got. So here I got with me is the Surface keyboard, as you know, and then the Mighty Red with the Surface Slim Pen 2. And I got myself a USB-C travel hub as well. And then I got myself Surface Pro 9 in all of its glory. I've had a computer for past 10 years and it was time to upgrade, so I decided to treat my little self. So we're gonna do a little unboxing. Beforehand, just give you a little tour of the products that we have. So like I said, you got the USB travel hub, and then you got your little Ethernet, HDMI, USB-A, and USB-C imports. We're gonna open that up in a few. Then of course we got the Surface Pro keyboard in, as they call it, poppy red. Great looking keyboard, and it comes with a slim pen too, so we'll be able to test that out later on. But today we're just gonna open it and give you guys a little unboxing. Alcantara, nice material. And then of course, as you saw earlier, got the Surface Pro 9 in graphite, as they say, all of its glory right here. Let's look at the specs real quick. We have about 16 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs. 512 gigs of storage. You know, I gotta do at least half a terabyte. Got in graphite, as I mentioned. First Surface product. We'll be very excited to open it up, but we're gonna leave that for last. You know, let's save the best for last. So let's start off with the Microsoft USB-C travel hub. Let's open this one up. Looks like we have a little pull tab right here, as you can see. Pick it up right there. Let's go ahead and open this one up. Little easy peasy. Here we go. Ooh, I like it. Little slim design. We got the travel hub right here. Let's go ahead and get that out. Oh, we got the cable management. Nicely done. So we're gonna go ahead and get this one out. Nice. We got our paperwork. We're gonna put that to the side. Case. You see nothing else, pretty much empty. Put that to the side. Here we go. Little USB-C travel hub. As I mentioned, you got USB-C right about here. And then you got your USB-A. And then you, old school video. I don't know if I'll be using that on a projector, but hey, at least I have that option. That's a good thing. Then we got a HDMI and our Ethernet port. Very important, which is why I wanted this. There was a few options out there, but you know, Microsoft, very trusted brand. They have also a bigger Microsoft dock 2, which has more ports, but it is bigger and requires power to be functioning. I just needed something that will give me my Ethernet, my HDMI, and my USB-A, which is very important. Everybody knows Surface Pro already comes with a USB-C, so that was not really important. But I really care for this extra ports, just because the laptop that I have now is a Lenovo laptop from back 10 years ago. Has these things that I use frequently, so it's good to have it. But like I said, slim design. I like the cable. It's very short, very light, very easy. Doesn't look like it's gonna hold down the tablet once you plug it in. So love it. Very, very, very good. All right, we're gonna put that to the side, and we're gonna get ourselves the Surface keyboard. Here we go. Surface keyboard. Again, it comes with the slim pen too. So very, very, very nice. It's a little package here. So we have a little pull tab right here. So we're gonna go ahead and pull that up. See if I can find my way in there. Here we go. Well, not the cleanest break that I was looking for, but hey, better than nothing. Let's see if I can get this up. Here we go. I'm gonna put this over here. All right, let's see how we're gonna open this one up. Wonder if we're gonna figure this out together. We're gonna figure this out. See how we're gonna open it up. Oh, might just come off this. Here we go. Just pops off like that, and we have the keyboard right underneath. Ooh, really, really nice color. I was never seen the red keyboard in person. I've seen the other colors, blue, green, you name it, black. But this is nice, and it feels, nice keyboards. It feels very tactile. Nothing cheap. Actually well made. And then you got this Alcantara right here, which is a nice material. It's like almost like rubbery. So when you have your hands on your wrist, resting there, it feels good. And then we have the little travel pad, which feels very, very nice. It's a little smaller than what I'm used to, but you know what? It's gonna be worth it. I think it's very well designed. Let's see if we can get this out. Let me get this pen out. Oh, there we go. Nice way for the pen. Let's get the Surface Slim Pen 2 out. You guys can see it right there. Let's see if the camera can pick it up. There we go. Come on, camera. Let me focus right there. Let me get the Surface out of the way. The little keyboard. Get that picked up right there. It's picking up all right. Let's see if I can make that work for you guys. There we go. Nice. So as you can see, this is a Surface Slim Pen 2. Very nice design. Feels very light in the hand. First time, again, never have used a Surface, anything Surface at all before. No Surface, a laptop, tablet, any accessories. So it's very nice to get my hands on this. Very, very nice pen. Feels good in the hands. Feels very natural. Doesn't feel awkward. Even with this little weird shape, it's not a circular shape, but you know what? It's not bad. It's not bad. I like it. I like it a lot. We're gonna put that to the side real quick, and then we're gonna go back on the keyboard right here. Again, keyboard looks great, so you can get this out. Little pull right here. Well, actually, I may be able to do it without pulling this. Let's see if I can get this out. Here we go. Here we go again. Board. Let's put that to the side. We have a little bit of instructions how to attach your keyboard. Pretty straightforward, honestly. You just get little hooks right here. You put that in, but this is very, very nice, very light. Oh, this material right here, this Alcantara right here in the back, feels great. Honestly, when you close it and it covers the screen of the tablet, this is a great feeling material. It's almost not even necessary to have a case for your tablet at this point, or even a screen protector. I know some people would choose to do that, but it's not really necessary. But this feels great. Again, great tactile, feels amazing. My keyboard now is almost the same size, probably a little bigger, but it doesn't have the normal key row on the pad, the keypad's on the side, which is perfect because I'm used to not having that. So this is not much of a difference going from one keyboard to another, but it feels really, really nice. Very, very tactile, very clicky, and it's very, very comfortable. So nice job. I like it. We're gonna put that to the side, and I know what you guys waiting for. Here we go for the main event. Again, Surface Pro 9, 16 gigs of RAM, 512 gigs of storage, not 256 like I said earlier. That was a mistake. We're gonna go ahead and pull this. I do like that they have this little tab to go ahead and get this plastic off. I have my knife in hand just in case, but looks like we won't be needed it for the time being. Get this off. Here we go. Boom, perfect. I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna see what we do. We're just gonna lift this off. Right there so carefully, we don't want it, falling. Seen those videos out there, people lifting up the casing and that full. We're gonna put this to the side. And ooh, man, that graphite looks nice. Hope see if you guys can pick that up. That is a really, really nice color. Really, really nice. I like it a lot. I like this right here. It's very, very reflective. Almost see my setup. It's almost basically a mirror. So we're gonna go ahead and take that out. Very, very nice, clean design. Okay, nice. Here's the little bad boy right here. We're gonna put this one to the side for just a second. Don't worry, got the screen protector on it, so it's not gonna scratch. We got a little bit of piece to do. Let's see what this is. Looks like paperwork. I'm just gonna double check. Yeah, we got paperwork. You guys know that fun stuff, warranty. I'm gonna put that to the side. And then we have here what appears to be our charging cable. Let's see what we have. Very nice, slim. Actually, I like it. It's very sturdy. It doesn't look like it's gonna break easily, but that's only part of it, obviously. As you guys know, with Microsoft, everything has a power brick. All right, here we go. This is the one that we're looking for. This is the rest. Let's see, anything else in there? No, nothing else in there. We can put this to the side. Here we go. So we here got the power brick for the charging. So obviously this part goes on the surface. This is how you charge it. You plug this in together, and this goes obviously in your little house outlet. Very nice, very sturdy. I like the way it feels. It doesn't feel flimsy. It feels very strong. It feels like it, it's gonna last a while. It's gonna take a beating. Obviously, these charging cables, they all take a beating. So it's really nice to have a cable that's gonna last and take a beating. This little power brick that connects to the actual surface looks very long. So it means you can probably plug it in from pretty good distance and not have to worry about whether it's gonna reach. Yeah, that's a very nice long cable. I like that. Again, very sturdy. I like the way it feels. Very nice. This is all well nice. Again, we're gonna, like I said, we're gonna put that to the side, and I'll be testing this out, guys. I'll be testing all of this out so we can see it later on. And we got the rest of the case. I don't believe there's anything else in here. Just a triple check. No, nothing else. That's about it. Let's get to the actual surface. Ooh. Nice cold feel on the hand. This is metal. Feels great. Feels nice. It's nice. It's not heavy, but it's not light either. It's a very nice balance. It's not something that's like, oh, you're gonna pick it up, it's gonna be heavy, or you're carrying your bag, or if you're carrying with you, or it feels light. It's almost like it's not there. No, it's not that. It's a very nice balance. Now you can tell it's really well built. It's meant to last. But let's go ahead and peel this off. See if we can get that nice peeling sound. Ooh, that was a nice, clean peeling sound. Hopefully the camera picked that up because that was really nice. But here we got, oh my God, look at, you got the cameras. It's very nice screen, almost edge to edge. You got the speakers on the side. So you got the speaker right here. You got a speaker right here. You guys can see me. How y'all doing? We're gonna go ahead and turn this bad boy on, see if it has any juice. Oh, it does. Very nice. Actually turned up pretty quickly. Usually, you gotta press and hold, but just one quick press and it's already booting up. So let's go ahead and let's go to the back real quick while that's booting up. See if we can get this little stand. So we got the stand, obviously, which I gotta say, that's perfect. That is perfect. That's a perfect stand. You can put it in any position that you like. So if you want it all the way back, obviously you can, but you can adjust it almost to your liking. It's not just like, oh, you got just 3 different positions, 4 different positions. You can adjust it to whatever position you like. So that feels great. You got your cameras up here. I don't know if you can see that, but you got your cameras. And you have your screen, which is loading up. It's supposed to be a 2K display. Close to 1440p, if I believe correctly. We can go ahead and look that. That's a nice shine. That is a nice shine. That sounded very nice. You can see we have a little English setup. Go ahead. Let's see if we can get this started. Yes. I believe I am in the US. I can double check. Want to add a second keyboard layout. Add a layout. Let's see what we got. Oh, I see what we're talking. Nah, we don't need to add a layout for now. Okay. We'll worry about the rest later, but the screen, oh man, this screen looks great. Looks very nice, very sharp. I'm liking it a lot. Like I said, it's a 2K display. Very clean. Let's see if I can get the rest of the specs for this. We got a Thunderbolt 4, which should be on the side right over here. Yes, we do. Right over here on the side. We got the Thunderbolt 4 USB-Cs, as you guys can see that. Hopefully the camera can pick it up. And then we got a little more external ports out here. And then we got a little charging connection. We're running with Bluetooth 5.1. We got Wi-Fi 6E, which is actually pretty nice. And we have Windows 11 Home, which I have never used. I have Windows 10 right now, which I've had for the ever since it came out. However long it's been since Windows 10 came out. But now I get to have Windows 11. Get to play that with it a little bit. It's gonna be fun times, guys. We got a 12th gen Intel Core i7 processor, which it's gonna handle the work. I know it's gonna be able to do everything almost I needed to. I mean, it is an everyday use laptop, tablet, and that's the benefit of the Surface. It's a tablet at hand, it's a tablet first, but you want to make it a laptop, you have the benefit of making it a laptop. And with this travel haul, it all comes in hand. Let's see if I can get this keyboard set up. You guys can be able to see that. Let's see how we're gonna be. Oh, whew, look at that. Snappy, just like that. Very, very snappy, just attached. Strong magnets. Let's see if how we got the pen here. Let's see if we can get the pen set up as well. Let's see. Gonna go ahead and put the keyboard away for a second. Let's see. Here we go. I'm gonna have to play with it. I might have to finish setting up before I can set up the pen. But I like the way the keyboard snapped. Very, very hard snap. I don't know if you guys were able to pick that up. Let's go ahead and try that one more time. Okay, it's very, very sturdy. Like, to pull it off, it takes a little bit of force. Sort of like that, and I can just go ahead and just have the little stand just come out, and I got myself a laptop, pretty much. I like it a lot. It's very, very, very nice. Feels great in the hands. But yeah, it's very nice. Very first impressions for it. Looks great. Obviously, we'll be able to play with this, be able to test it out and see how good it is. I'm gonna be able to try out the accessories with the keyboard and the pen, and I'll be able to see just if it's worth it. I never had a Surface. I always heard the hype behind it, but today we're gonna take our time. We're gonna test it out and get that review out for you guys. But feels so far very nice impression. I like the packaging, very clean packaging, very straightforward. But yeah, no, looks great. I can't wait to play with it. So with that being said, thank you guys for watching. Keep obviously like, subscribe, and share. And I'll keep coming with the videos. We're gonna start doing things differently. Got this little Surface out. We're gonna review it. I'm gonna see if I'm gonna pick up my gaming stuff again. I'm on Twitch, so I'll be putting my Twitch link in the bottom, and hopefully get some videos on YouTube as well. That way we can go back to the way we used to do things. We used to stream a while when I was in college, but things have changed. Hopefully we can get back to it. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. You guys have a great day. See ya.